Hey guys, it's Diamond, and here is a custom order. And I was so curious about why she didn't make the elastic spine and the sewing stitching color. And I asked Win, and I say, why this order without anything? And I just remember because Win just sent me a message to me, and the rest is like here. Because she want I have a hand sewing in the colorful thread like this. Yes. So the customer just want me to make a totally 100% the same covers to her. So I will start to make it, and you can see this is just like this, the colorful thread in the hand stitching, hand sewing. Okay, and she just want to choose a button, and the button she chose is this beautiful flower button. Okay, so I will start to make it now. See you guys later. And you can see I already punched the holes, the stitching holes in the edge. Yes. And here has a secret to share with you guys. Because if I use this to punch the holes, because our hand not so always stand by in the same position, and so it will make you punch the hole will just a little bit different. So I usually don't punch the holes with my hands. So I always use the stitching machine to punch the holes I need, and then start to sewing it by hand. So you can see here is a colorful, beautiful thread here. Yes. So I will start to sewing it now. Okay, so it's the last 3 holes to hand sewing, and it will be done later. Because the hand sewing stitch, the thread is different from the stitching machine thread. So like this colorful thread, I can only use it in the hand stitching because it's thicker than the stitching machine's thread. So also it's more difficult to make. But I just love to, sometimes I really enjoy the hand sewing because it also remind me a lot of things from the beginning while I jump into the leather world. Yes. Okay, so let's start to tie it up. And also this thread, before I start to hand sewing this, I have to use the wax. To let the thread go, to add the wax on the thread. Yes. So it's a lot of work in the hand sewing. Okay, so the hand sewing is done now. have to punch it. But not let me to punch in under on the glasses. Yes. So you can see it's done now. Yes, very beautiful. And I just tell you guys because I use the stitching machine to punch all the holes, so the distance are very balanced. Yes, it's beautiful, right? And then later I just put on the elastic, and it's a finished product. So Cynthia, so hello Cynthia, this is your order and it's done here. Okay, hope you guys will love the video today. Thank you.